Let's fix if the touch screen is not working on your iPhone. Now, if you're trying to go and you're trying to swipe or tap and it's completely not working at all, or potentially maybe it works sometimes and then other times it has ghost touches or glitches, it doesn't register some taps, but it does other taps, I'm going to show you how to fix that. The first thing that we'll do, and the easiest thing, is just to force restart our phone. We don't need to use any of the touchscreen for that. So we'll tap the volume up, the volume down, and then we'll tap and hold on that side button until you see that Apple logo. That will force restart your phone and a lot of times fixes any kind of bugs or glitches. Now, the next thing that we'll do is we'll take any kind of screen protector and case off of your iPhone itself. So sometimes those screen protectors can get dirty and gunky or scratched up, and they won't allow your phone to register any kind of taps or swipes to the side, anything like that. So take everything off, clean everything with a good cloth, and see if that helps. If that doesn't help, let's hop into settings here, and we'll go through a few different other steps. Let's go down and tap on General, and then Software Update. Check to see if you have an update available because potentially any kind of screen glitches that's causing it to not work is baked into an iOS update. So just update it to the latest version. The next thing that we'll do if it's still not working is we'll go down, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then we'll hit Reset. And then at the very top, reset all settings. So this brings all of your settings on your iPhone back to the factory default, which sometimes fix if that screen is not working due to some weird funky settings or a glitch in the settings on your iPhone. Now, after you go through all of these steps, we've checked it physically to see if there are any obstructions physically. We've restarted it. We've checked the software. We've reset the software. If all of these still doesn't fix it, I recommend going into the Apple Store, have them run diagnostics on your iPhone screen. It could be that potentially maybe you dropped your phone or got water damage or something like that that's causing that phone screen to not work. They'll run diagnostics, tell you if they can fix it, how much it would cost, or maybe it's under warranty and they would fix it for free. Hope this helps. Do you have any questions on that? Leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.